In this video, I'll be comparing N8N versus Crewai. Make sure you watch this video to the end. N8N is a powerful open source automation tool ideal for users who want full control over workflows, with support for 350 plus integrations, advanced logic, and a visual editor. It's great for developers and teams comfortable with self-hosting and some technical setup, but it can be a bit complex for beginners and lacks built-in AI features. Crewai, on the other hand, is focused on AI agent orchestration, making it easier to build smart task-based systems using LLMs like GPT. It's lightweight to fast to prototype and perfect AI-driven applications, but it's still new, requires coding knowledge, and doesn't offer the broad app integration that N8N does.